Hey guys, Colton here from Preferred Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about sleeping positions. Now, there's a few different ways that we can sleep. Me personally, I'm a huge side sleeper. Okay, side sleeping has its pros and cons. For me, I sleep so much easier on my side. I feel like I can fall asleep a lot faster, and I'm in a more comfortable position. And this usually is because when we were in the womb, we're in that fetal position, right? 70% of us are in this sideline position as we sleep. However, with it being more comfortable, it can have its cons. For me, I get these rounded shoulders. We get this bend at the hips and bend at the knees, which can later on cause some contractures or this posture-related soreness that we're not used to, or these tight pecs that we need to fix by opening up through our daily activities. With it being so comfortable, sometimes we just also breathe easier. The way that our lungs are in a position on our side, it doesn't allow any sort of compression like we are used to if we are sleeping onto our back. Now, on our back is more an anatomical position, right? So we're going to be laying down onto our back. This can be pretty comfortable. Some of us who are back sleepers, they don't have as much rounded shoulders because we're in this gravity really allows us to open the shoulders up. It also can help with the hip tightness, but if we have a weak core, we can get into this extended position through our lumbar, which can cause some pain later on, as well as in that back position, we typically snore the most because our lungs are being affected by gravity and the weight of our chest upon our lungs. Now, to kind of get rid of that snoring problem would be to sleep on your back, or excuse me, onto our stomach. Now, onto our stomach, you do sleep a little bit better. However, it can put you even more into that back extended position, that lordotic curve, which can be very uncomfortable. I know if sometimes when I am on my side, when I get cold, I roll up onto my stomach and I sleep with my arms underneath me, so my arms aren't cold. But my back is in this extended position, and when I wake up, I know my back will hurt for kind of that day until I kind of get moving and get things into the proper position and kind of stretch out. As well as when you're sleeping on your stomach, we move our neck to one side, right, with where we are on the pillow, whichever's most comfortable. This it can be good by having increased rotation to one side, but then we're usually pretty tight on the other because we're in that hyper rotated position that really can affect kind of our daily activities that we don't think about until we're here in physical therapy and we're like, why does my neck hurt, or why does my back hurt, when it's really stemming from years and years of sleeping the way that we sleep over and over and over again in these chronic issues. If you do have some of that pain from those chronic years of sleeping on your back or on your side or on your stomach, please come see us, or check out any of our other videos for hints and tips about decreasing some of that pain and getting you on the right track to being a better you. Thank you.